Bye guys.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing about the first condom, what it looks like, and the first man to wear it. The first known documentation of the condom was that of King Minos of Crete. In about 3000 BC, it was said to have serpents and scorpions in his semen. His mistresses died after having intercourse with him. In order to protect himself and his partners, which included his wife, Pasiphae, the bladder of a goat, was introduced into the woman's vagina.
Did you just say vagina?
Which protected the woman from disease. It is said that Pasiphae had given birth to 8 children after the use of the goat's bladder. The introduction of rubber condom. Charles Goodyear, the American inventor, moderated the goat bladder to rubber rope organization during the Industrial Revolution. This is the process where sulfur and natural rubber are heated together to form a more malleable and durable material with a higher elasticity and tensile strength. In the 1920s, latex was invented. Latex is formed when rubber is dispersed in water. Latex was the revelation that transformed condoms into what they are today. Who was the first man to use a rubber condom? One of the most legendary lovers to date, Giacomo Casanova.
Giacomo Casanova
Was the first, at least from the records, to test condoms for holes prior to using them. His testing method included blowing them up and inspecting them. Obviously, Casanova did not take any chance.